I did something bad today.
You did? What?
I left a paper in the forest. Now some little animal might not be able to get back into its house.
Well, it's true that you always need to pick up after yourself, but we can always fix that. Take it easy, Tip.
I found it.
Very good, Tip.
Luckily, it wasn't blocking a house.
Look, Tip. Look at all this beauty. Nature is our home. It's a wonderful home that we must keep clean.
Wow! You're right. Jody and I did a bad thing today. I need to tell him that we can't leave litter around. There's more litter. I'm going to pick it up.
Bravo, Tip. Wow, Tip, you really did a good job.
I know. I really like my home to be clean.